I belong to Assam.
Okay.
And my hobbies are listening songs,
Mhm.
playing basketball, badminton.
Okay, so you're a sports person.
Not sports person, but I like to play.
Okay, okay. And anything which you want to excel in your life, anything which you are struggling with, or which you think that this is something which I want to do in my life. Anything? What is your dream goal, or what is your ideal dream which you would like to see Shashank as this person?
I have not thought about that, to
Okay,
be
no
honest.
problem. Nevertheless, okay. Jyoti, can we hear
Thank
you
you.
now? Thank you. Can we hear you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Jyoti. You can just unmute yourself, make your mic on, and you can start.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Jyoti. I am from
Can you just
Islampur.
make your camera on? Can you make just make your camera on, Jyoti? Yes,
Yes,
Jyoti,
ma'am.
both. Yeah.
I am from Islampur, and
Okay.
my hobby is reading books.
Okay. Anything which you would like to do? For example, some people make a very good attempt in sports, who want to make their life in sports, and they are constantly after doing something like sports or dance or anything you like, something like that.
Um, no, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Fine. Next, I would like to take the next lead. Nikhil, Nikhil Borkar, would you like to give it a try?
Yes, ma'am. क्या मैं अभी join
Yes.
हूँ.
Okay. So what I'm telling you is,
हाँ,
we have not yet started with the subject. I just
हाँ.
wanted to know about you. At the same time, what is your expectation in life, or what you are constantly struggling to do in life, or what you want to become in life? Simple. What you want to become in life?
Yes, yes. Okay.
So introduce yourself with one major thing, and we will try to figure out the things. Then go
Yes,
on
yes,
with
yes.
the
Yes,
lecture.
ma'am. My name is Nikhil Mohan Borkar. मैं यहाँ
Okay,
का ही हूँ.
can you just make your video on?
Yes.
Yes.
एक मिनट हाँ.
Yeah. Yes, Nikhil. Yes,
Yes.
Nikhil.
Ma'am,
Very good
my name
afternoon.
is good afternoon. My name is Nikhil Borkar. I'm pursuing in M.Com e-commerce second year. And मैं यहाँ का ही हूँ, राजगुरु नगर का, पुणे के पास का.
Okay.
तो आपका क्वेश्चन क्या था कि लाइफ लाइफ से मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है, यही ना?
My question is, first you introduce yourself. Second,
हाँ,
you tell me something which you want to achieve in your life.
हाँ,
असं
मैं
काही
जो
असेल ना जे तुला तुझ्या जीवनात असं काही, म्हणजे मला निखिल असं दिसलं पाहिजे. मला निखिलचं काही
हाँ,
ड्रीम असेल ना जीवनात तुझ्या.
हाँ, हाँ मॅडम, माझं ड्रीम म्हणजे मी आता UPSC स्टडी करतोय सिव्हिल सर्व्हिसेसचा.
ओके. ओके.
हो. सो तेच माझं सगळ्यात मोठं ड्रीम आणि तेच मला अचीव्ह करायचं.
So you want
माझी
to, you
ड्रीम
constantly
पोस्ट.
practice for UPSC?
येस येस मैं स्टडी कर रहा हूँ अभी UPSC पे.
Okay.
एक 1.5 साल हो.
Okay. That's good to hear. Chalo.
यस.
Then can we go to the next person? Sahil?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Yes, very good afternoon, Sahil. So I would like to know, I think you know now what to do. You have to just introduce yourself, and you have to tell me something. What is your life goal? Okay?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Sahil Jaswani. I'm basically from Pune itself,
Okay.
and I took up this MCOM e-commerce course specifically because I already have a 3-year work experience in this field. So I'd
Okay.
probably
Studying
like,
in which
I'd,
company?
it's a US-based company. We are a back office over here, and we sell products online on US websites.
Okay, that's very nice to know. Fine. So we
So I
have
already,
somebody who's working. Fine.
yes. So I'd like to continue with my career in this field itself. That's why I took up the course.
Okay. Okay. That's good to hear. Fine. So you're already working. So
Yes,
do
ma'am.
you sometimes think that I should excel at my job, or somewhere you want to become uh, the executive or at a higher level, or maybe at a VP level, where you would like to open a company also for yours?
Yes, hopefully one day.
Yeah, so that could be a kind of a goal which I'm looking at, which you might not have thought of at this moment, but then definitely some 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, you would like to see Sahil as a CEO of a company, right?
Yes, that would be the goal down the line.
Yes, yes, that's good to hear. Who's left? Nice
Thank you,
hearing
ma'am.
you, Sahil. Who's
Thank you.
left? Who's the next person? Very thank you, welcome. Sampada. There are two Sampadas, if I am not wrong. Yes, Sampada, can I hear you? Can I see you? Sukram, if I'm pronouncing it right, your name.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you introduce yourself? Can you make your mic on? Can you make your video on?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Sukh Vasawe. I am. Yes, ma'am. My name is Sukram Vasawe. I am from Nandurbar. My hobby is read a book like a self-help book and a motivational book. And my life goal is a good civil servant.
Civil servant. Okay. So you also are preparing for UPSC exam?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am. Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Who else is there? Thank you, Sukram. We will uh, just go to the next candidate. Sunil. If I'm pronouncing, what's your first name? It is Kunal or Sunil?
Kunal है मैम, Kunal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kunal, can you please introduce yourself and
Hi,
tell
ma'am.
us something? What is your goal in life? Rest of
मैम
the
मेरा नाम
participants
कुणाल
can
ठाकरे
mute
ठाकरे
themselves and close their cameras. Yes. Yes, Sunil. Yes, sorry. Yes, Kunal.
हाँ मैम मेरा नाम कुणाल ठाकरे है. मैं
Okay.
नासिक से बिलोंग करता हूँ
Okay.
और मेरी हॉबी क्रिकेट खेलना और किताबें पढ़ना.
Okay. Okay. So I think we have covered almost everyone. Is anybody left? Nikhil is done. Roshan is done. Shashank. Anybody who's left? Jyoti. Sahil. Sampada. Sukram. Okay. If anybody is left, let me know. Okay. So you can close all of you can close your cameras and mute yourself so that we can go ahead with the session. Okay. A brief introduction about me. My name is Dr. Amrita Javjala. I have been teaching from last 10 years. From last 2010, I've started into teaching. I'm a doctorate in marketing, as well as my degrees are in marketing and HR. I also have done neuro-linguistic programming. I also I'm a trainer. I was a trainer in earlier colleges for placements, English coaching. So let's see, we will get to know each other in the meanwhile. So I would like to start the session. What is the name of our subject, if anybody knows? What is the name? Can somebody tell me what is the name of our subject? Are you aware of the subject's name? Business.
Business and professional skill
Yes, yes. So in
for
this
excellence.
subject, we are trying to learn, we are trying to read about some of the skills which are very important from the point of profession and business. There is one person like Sahil who's there. He knows he is there in a environment wherein he is already doing business, so probably he is more into it. Okay. Now, before I start my session, I would like to know your comfort zone, wherein you're comfortable with English only, you're comfortable with English, Hindi, you're comfortable with English, Hindi, Marathi. So let me know your preferences, and accordingly we can match our frequencies. Yes, English only is fine. English, Hindi combination, English, Marathi. How should we go about it?
English and Hindi, ma'am.
English and Hindi is fine with
हाँ
everyone.
मैम, इंग्लिश yes इंग्लिश हिंदी सही रहेगा सबको समझ.
सगळ्यांना हिंदी येतं, सगळ्यांना मराठी येतं, काय येतं मला सांगा.
नाही नाही
I-
मॅडम, हे मराठी दोघं जण मॅडम बाहेरचे आहेत ना, त्यांना मराठी. इंग्लिश हिंदी ठीक आहे मॅम, इंग्लिश
English, Hindi
English
is
or
fine.
Hindi, ma'am? Yes.
सगळ्यांना
हा
हिंदी आहे,
इंग्लिश हिंदी.
so that there would
Oh.
not be any problem with people who don't know Marathi. So Hindi
Yes,
is universally known. Okay.
येस येस.
Fine. Okay. So we have. So what we can do. The first unit of a subject I would like to brief you on. Usme there are a few points which are very important. One more thing. Somewhere if you feel कि मैम ने जो सब्जेक्ट का नाम बताया है या मैम जो सब्जेक्ट पे बात कर रही है, if you are not very comfortable, you can stop me there. आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो and then I would like to go ahead. Okay, so there would not be any problem. Whenever you have a question, you can just let me know that ma'am, this particular thing I am not understanding. Please allow me to ask a question. और फिर हमारे पास चैट बॉक्स भी है, आप चैट बॉक्स में अपना क्वेश्चन पोस्ट कर सकते हो. Okay. Before we go ahead, all of you, please quickly mention your names in the chat box so that I know the attendance for today. Okay. And then I'll download the attendance sheet also. Can you quickly put everyone could quickly write their names in the chat box? I'll take a minute or two so that.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, just write your name in the chat box so that there would be double records. One would be in the chat box and one I can download the attendance sheet also. Okay, let's go ahead with the session. I'm sharing the content. Can you see the slide, everybody? Is the slide?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I believe everybody has written their names in the chat box so that during the lecture I don't need to bother about all these things, right? So whoever has joined just now, mention your name in the chat box. I'm seeing 9 participants, so there are total 9 students who are attending the session right now. So let's go to the subject talks about foundations of excellence. Now, when we started, जब मैंने session start किया, I asked you one question that what is your hobby in life or what is something which you would really like to pursue in your life. Pursue का मतलब जो आप really life में कुछ achieve करना चाहते हो, ठीक है? So there are people who have wanted to achieve something very badly in their lives. कुछ ऐसे लोग थे जिन लोगों को अपनी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ अचीव करना था. त्यांना असं वाटत होतं की if I don't get this, I am made for this. So I have got one. Do you know anybody who is your role model? Anybody who is your role model? Are you aware of anybody who is your role model? Anyone? How many of you play cricket?
Yes.
So who's your role model, Nikhil?
Ma'am, Dhoni, Divilliers.
Okay.
Dhoni.
Who all play cricket? Roshan? Who's your role model? Shashank?
Dhoni, ma'am.
Dhoni. Okay. Jyoti?
Ma'am, I don't
Anything?
play cricket.
You don't play cricket, so which sports do you like? Anybody who's your role model?
Football. Yes, ma'am. Ronaldo.
Okay, so you are a football lover. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Jyoti, anybody what you like is something which who's your role model?
Dhoni, ma'am.
Okay, so there are Dhoni fans more over here. Sampada, Sukram, anybody who's your role model?
Dhoni.
Okay, everybody is a cricket lover, like, so everybody has gotten a very good understanding about cricket. Okay, so let me just show you something. There's one person. I hope everybody knows who is this person.
Sachin.
Yes, Sachin.
Yes, ma'am. Sachin Tendulkar.
There are some very old photographs. There is one new photograph also of Sachin. Do you think Sachin को excellence या Sachin अपने sport में Sachin ऐसे ही बन गया?
नहीं.
कैसे बना फिर? How did he become Sachin?
नहीं, उसके पीछे भी उसकी एक बैकग्राउंड स्टोरी है, उसका स्ट्रगल और उसके
But
साथ, इसलिए वो मुझे लगता है
okay, what is the major thing जो सचिन ने किया जिससे आज पूरी दुनिया को पता है कि सचिन कौन है?
मेजर थिंग मतलब जो हमको जो करना है उस पे पूरा फोकस करके उस पे ही हार्ड वर्क करना चाहिए, तो एक दिन सक्सेस अचीव होगा ही हो ऐसे,
Very
क्योंकि
nice.
और
Very
एक
nice.
एक बात और एक है कि एक वर्ल्ड कप जीतने के लिए उसे 24 साल खेलना पड़ा मुझे, मतलब सक्सेस कितना भी दूर हो हमको चल रहा है।
Yes, Anviksha.
Yeah, hi, good morning. I'm really sorry I joined late.
Not an issue. We have just started with the session. This is my first slide, and I just started with the session with an introduction of the students, and I just wanted to know what is something which they would like to achieve in their lives.
Okay.
So that is, you have not missed much. We have just started the session, so need not worry. Okay. Okay. So Nikhil was referring कि he had focus in his life. He took a lot of time before he actually became the Sachin of everybody, right? Before he actually became somebody whom everybody loves. Like Sachin के फैंस काफी हैं, जैसे आप धोनी के फैन हो वैसे धोनी आने के पहले सब लोग सचिन के फैंस थे, right? So this is something wherein a person has not got his place which he is today very easily. So I would say अगर क्रिकेट है तो क्रिकेट का दूसरा सिनोनिम जो है धोनी है, राइट? क्रिकेट का दूसरा नाम सचिन है इंडिया में. So everybody knows Sachin, everybody knows Dhoni, and I think everybody is very much familiar with the 6 sixes in a row which Dhoni made, right? Has everyone seen that video?
युवराज सिंह ने लगाए थे मैम 6.
It was Yuvraj.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Yuvraj.
Okay. I am, to be very frank, I am not somebody who plays cricket. So pardon me if something goes wrong. मुझे क्रिकेट इतना कुछ पता नहीं है. मैं क्रिकेट के बारे में जानती हूँ, बट मुझे इतना ज्यादा आप लोग जैसे आपको जितना धोनी पसंद है, so I have got my some other person who is my idol. Okay, so because everybody's life, everybody's preferences are different, इसीलिए. Okay, so Yuvraj 6 sixes. So yeah, that's why. So everybody knows how did Yuvraj go there, how did Sachin go there. There's one more person. Let me see how many of you know her. Just a second. Has anybody seen her? Do you know who is she? I hope the screen is visible. Anybody knows who is she? Any idea? Anyone would like to make a guess? Sahil, are you aware who's this girl in the picture?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. This girl is, the picture which is shown, she was just 14 years old, if I'm not wrong. And she is a gymnast. She is not now 14. She was 14. Now she is 58. Her name is Nadia Comaneci. She is a perfect gymnast जिसको पहली बार 10 on 10 perfect का score मिला था. If you can see on the screen, there is something written in 1976. So you can make it out कि she is not somebody who is which is a current picture. She is 58 years old now, and she is a retired Rome is the country where she has started with her gymnasts, and she is the 5-time Olympic gold medalist because she is perfect in what she is doing as her skill. Okay, so she is Nadia Comaneci. You can search. There are very beautiful gymnastic videos of her wherein she was the one who defined कि 10 on 10 का score क्या होता है. उसके पहले किसी को 10 on 10 का score नहीं मिला था. Okay, next. Let's go to the next person. Now he is your favorite. Everybody has mentioned, right? Many people have mentioned that Dhoni is their favorite, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes. Yes.
So, Roshan, Nikhil, Shashank, I believe doesn't like cricket much. He likes football, right? Sampada, Chetan, how many of you think how Dhoni has reached that stage? How many of you have watched the movie MS Dhoni?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, what?
So we are more or less aware कि धोनी का लाइफ का स्ट्रगल क्या था. धोनी
Yes,
को
yes.
एक्सीडेंट ऐसे ही नहीं मिला. He was actually working with some other job and he used to find a passion.
Yes.
Sorry, excuse me. So when I asked you initially कि आप अपने आप को introduce करो and tell me something which you would really want to achieve in your life, like Sahil is already working in a company and now अभी साहिल चाहेगा कि I would be a CEO of a e-commerce company someday, right? And that's why his specialization is very much adhering to the e-commerce specialization. So when you talk about excellence, it is not something which comes in a day. It is something which people have been striving for. जिसके लिए लोगों ने, जैसे चेतन ने कहा कि जिसके लिए लोगों ने काफी मेहनत की, लोगों ने काफी कुछ स्ट्रगल किया है, and then they have become the Dhonis and the Sachins. So earlier they were common people like us. Agree everybody? Anybody who has got a different opinion कि नहीं मैम आप सही नहीं बोल रहे हो? कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो बचपन से ही धोनी बन जाते हैं पहले दिन से. ऐसा कोई देखा है? Anybody who has got a difference of opinion? कोणाला माझा मत पटत नाही असं कोणी आहे? Who is saying that ma'am I don't agree with you, मैं आपसे सहमत नहीं हूँ. Roshan, Anviksha, agree or not agree?
हाँ, yes ma'am. Agree.
Vaibhav,
Yes, ma'am.
Chetan, Sampada, Sukram. So you believe if there is some exception कभी कोई मिलता है तो definitely we will find out
Yes.
that what is very good in that person जो पहले दिन से धोनी बन गया. But then the point taken here is nobody is a Dhoni from the first day. Nobody is a Lata Mangeshkar from the first day. She also practiced. Nobody is a Nadia Comaneci from the first day. So they all had been practicing very hard in their lives so that they achieve the parameter of excellence. Right? आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों ने 3 Idiots मूवी देखी है?
मैम देखी, बहुत बार देखी.
सब लोगों ने
देखिए मैम.
क्यों देखी बहुत बार निखिल?
मैम वो मूवी देखने से जब भी हर टाइम देखता हूँ ना, ऐसे बोर नहीं होती. कुछ ना कुछ तो ऐसा एक मोटिवेशन मिल जाता है उस मूवी से. क्योंकि सिर्फ उससे एक मिलता है कि सिर्फ तुम पढ़ाई में तो अच्छे रहो, पर फिर वैसा नाही क्या ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं, जैसे घोकंपट्टी फक्त कर प्रॅक्टिकली पण जगायला शिका, असं त्याच्यातून बरंच शिकायला. किंवा तुमचं जे फोकस आहे त्याच्यातच तुम्ही तुमचं करिअर निवडा, नाही तर दुसरं करून तुम्ही तुमच्या लाईफची बरीच वर्ष अशी वाया घालवताय.
Exactly. Shashank, you would like to say something?
यस मैम बोर नहीं होता मैम वो मूवी देखने के बाद. लाइक
Okay.
इंटरेस्टिंग है, लाइफ रिलेटेड है, प्रैक्टिकल है.
Okay, there is a practical approach, life related है. उसमें हमारे सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड भी कुछ है जो मैं आपको बताऊंगी. There is a very famous quote जो आमिर खान ने बोला था. Something related to excellence. किसी को याद आ रहा है? Anybody remembers that? No, excellence से लेके उसके कोट में एक बहुत famous dialogue आमिर खान made to I believe his friend or in the class. He mentioned something about success and excellence. किसी को याद आ रहा है? Take a minute, think and let me know because काफी लोगों ने मूवी बहुत बार देखी है, right? तो आई बिलीव याद भी होना चाहिए मूवी के डायलॉग्स.
मैम सक्सेस के पीछे मत दौड़ो, कुछ वैसा तो था.
हाँ, आगे
सक्सेस खुद आएगा.
बरोबर.
कौन
Yes,
सा
निखिल,
था?
आठवतंय का? Anybody who
ऐसे
डायलॉग
था
याद नहीं है मैम, बट देन वैसा ही कुछ. मतलब सक्सेस के पीछे नहीं दौड़ना है, बस उसके लिए काम करते जाना है तो सक्सेस खुद आएगा.
Okay. So the dialogue says like this, quote unquote, The people who have not listened or who have, I think everybody has watched the movie. It was a great success. It was a movie of its time. It was one of the great blockbusters. So in that movie, Amir Khan mentioned that success के पीछे मत भागो, excellence का पीछा करो, success झक मार के पीछे आ जाएगी, right? So that's wherein my motto of asking you today about, have you thought what you would like to become in your life? Like Sahil is there in a company, Anviksha, what you would like to become in your life? If you have thought of, well and good, but if you have not thought, are we not going on a path which is undecided? So are we trying to run after success, or are we trying to run after something which is already a goal? So before you decide, Dhoni did not become Dhoni until and unless he figured out कि मुझे क्रिकेटर बनना है. अगर धोनी बोलता कि मैं गाना गाना शुरू करता हूँ, तो शायद वो गाना भी नहीं गा पाता और क्रिकेट भी नहीं खेल पाता, राइट? So first you have to identify your goal in your personal lives. I'm not talking about any professional lives. मैं आप लोगों के सबके पर्सनल लाइफ्स की बात कर रही हूँ. रोशन, अन्विक्षा, शशांक, ज्योति, साहिल, वैभव एंड संपदा, सुकराम, आप सबके लाइफ में there would be something which you might not have discovered, which you would like to become in life. Otherwise, there's a very common trend. मम्मी ने बोला है इंजीनियर बन जाओ, पापा ने बोला है डॉक्टर बन जाओ, पड़ोसी बोल रहे हैं कि ये कोर्स नया है, आपके बच्चे को इसमें डाल दो. This is the same case which happened with what is that hero's name? R. Madhavan in the movie Three Idiots.
Yes.
Yes, because his dad said कि कोई बाजू में कोई नेबर रहते हैं जिनके बेटे को इंजीनियरिंग में इतने परसेंटेज मिले हैं, and now R. Madhavan also gets into that college and he wants to become a photographer. So the point taken here is, first identify a goal for you. This would be a homework for today, okay? Everybody would spend 1 hour with themselves only. मतलब उस समय आपके साथ कोई भी नहीं होगा. You can take a walk, you can go for a round, you can sit at a place, but sit at a place, go for a round wherein nobody else should be there with you for 1 hour. Within your home, you can sit whatever you like. The reason is self-introspection. Try to find what I would like to become in life, write it down on a piece of paper and see what Jyoti wants to become. Check, Sunil will check, Kunal will check what I would like to become in my life. Shashank will check ki, okay, this is the course which I am doing, but is there any other hobby which can go parallelly? Okay, there might be some people who might be knowing music, there might be some singers in our class, there might be some players in our class, there might be some future Ronaldos in our class, right? There might be some future Sachins in your class, why not? So my point is, first a person should know what he wants to become in life. So Nadia Comaneci knew it very clearly, because at the age of 13 अगर किसी ने ये define किया है कि perfect 10 का score मुझसे define किया जाएगा, तो you can understand what beautiful thinking, streamlining she must have in her mind, that 10 साल की उम्र से she must have been practicing, or before that she scored a perfect 10 in her life. It is really a commendable job. 10 साल की उम्र में या 13 साल की उम्र में एक perfect 10 जिमनास्ट का स्कोर करना, जो पहले नहीं लिया गया था 1976 के पहले, was a Herculean task. वो बहुत impossible task था. Sachin, if he would have been hit by a ball in the first case and he would have said कि नहीं मेरे नाक से खून बह रहा है, I think cricket is not the right thing for me. But then his words were, what were his words? He made a very famous 2-line words. मैं खेलेगा, right? So this is something which is a determination. Dhoni also had a lot of struggles in his life. Everybody knows, everybody has seen his biographic movie. So we know there could be something more which might not be shared in a movie. Lekin definitely person has come from lot of struggles. Any disagreements on this? Everybody is there with me? समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बात कर रही हूँ? साहिल, ज्योति, वैभव, समझ में आ रहा है क्या बात कर रहे हैं? ओके. कुछ डिसएग्रीमेंट्स हैं कि जो आप बोल रहे हो कि मैम नहीं, ये चीज समझ में नहीं आई? अभी तक ऐसा कुछ है जो आपको नहीं समझ में आया या बाउंसर चला गया? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना? आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द ब्रीफ. ओके, नाउ let's go to the next thing. This person Dhoni would not have become Dhoni if he would not have climbed this ladder of good, better, best. There are some people in our class who are actually practicing for their UPSC exam. Somebody would be a collector tomorrow, somebody could be a forest officer tomorrow, somebody could be a something else, whatever you have decided for you in your life. So unless and until you go from this good to better to best, शायद हो सकता है कुछ लोगों ने good के नीचे भी अपना career start किया हो, wherein they don't know nothing about UPSC, wherein a person or a teacher who comes to teaching knows nothing about teaching when it is her first day. So it was always be the ladder of good, better, best, and what this would ultimately lead you to finally, it would lead you to something good, better, best के बाद where it would lead you to. Can you read the word? What is the word? Can you see the slide? After good, better, best, what is the word? Excellence.
Excellence.
Okay.
Just
Now somebody would just question me कि मैम excellence के दूसरे words क्या हैं? What are the other words of excellence? We have often seen the merit list of students right from our childhood, that he is the first person, he is the second person. So merit list, a person of merit can also be a person of excellence. A person of quality can also be a person of excellence. A person of virtue, values. Sorry, 1 second. Let me just go to the previous slide. The systems, and there's always some problem with technology, right? You don't know when things will go wrong, what will happen when. Okay, give me 1 minute. Just a second, okay? I'll just go to the previous slide so that I'll just restart the thing again. Where were we? We were here. Okay, so excellence is something which has been achieved when you constantly go for it, and there are some other words for it. Are the slides visible, everyone, now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, give me 1 second. This kind of things I think we need to be accustomed to, because technology is something which, in case if it doesn't want us to go further, it will not let us go further. Let me just okay, in the meanwhile, so we know that if you constantly go after good, better, best, there would be at one point of time that you would be knowing that yes, this is something wherein I want to achieve in my life. Okay, I'll reshare the screen, don't worry, give me 1 minute. Yeah, I hope it is visible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our subject का basic thing is, हम लोग फर्स्ट यूनिट में बात करेंगे फाउंडेशंस ऑफ एक्सीलेंस के बारे में, विच आई हैव रिटन इट ओवर हियर. ओके, तो अभी तक हमने सिर्फ ये बात की कि एक्सीलेंस क्या होता है, हाउ मेनी ऑफ द पीपल actually talk about excellence, what is their definition of excellence, and these are few words which are synonyms of excellence. So merit is also excellence, quality is also excellence, greatness, virtue, supremacy, superiority, excellency, perfection. You say ना many of time कि perfection आना चाहिए. So this is something also called as the synonyms for excellence. Now I'll give you just 1 minute. Just read this story. Can everyone see the screen? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. Just read this entire thing and tell me what do you think about it. Just read this thing. Has everyone read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what do you understand by this story? What do you understand by this story? Can somebody tell me what do you understand by this story?
दूसरा कोई अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए नहीं, तो खुद के सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए हमें काम करना चाहिए.
Very nice. Is this Jyoti?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Very beautiful. So the story says and the story goes like this. Even if there is nobody, I hope everybody has read the story. Do you need more time to read the story? Anyone needs more time to read the story? सबने पढ़ लिया? Everybody has read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the thing is, I will just brief you about the story. The story says there is one German person who visited a temple जो construction में था. And when he saw the sculptor, जो मूर्ति बनाता है, मूर्तिकार जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं, he was making an idol of God. And he saw one more idol next to it. So he said, are you making two statues? आप दो statue बना रहे हो या एक? So he said, no, I am making only one. So the gentleman who asked this, he said कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है स्टैचू में पहले वाले, आपने दूसरा स्टैचू क्यों ले लिया? वेयर इज द डैमेज? सो ही सेड एक छोटा सा हल्का सा स्क्रैच है नोज पे आइडल के, तो जब मैं थोड़ा बिजी हो गया था तो मैंने नोटिस किया. सो ही सेड कहाँ पे इंस्टॉल करना है ये स्टैचू? सो ही सेड 20 फीट ऊंचाई पे. तो 20 फीट ऊंचाई पे तो कोई देख नहीं पाएगा. तो ही सेड व्हेन इट इज फार अप, व्हाई आर यू सो मच बॉदर्ड अबाउट अ स्मॉल स्क्रैच, राइट? सो द स्कल्प्टर सेड कि बाकी किसी को पता हो नहीं हो, मुझे पता है इतना काफी है. सो आई एम समबडी हु is very good at my work. I don't want somebody else's appreciation. I want my work to give me first my satisfaction. So when you talk about excellence, you don't work for somebody else and somebody should come and say चेतन आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया आज, या ज्योति आपने आज बहुत अच्छा काम किया, और शशांक you are doing wonderful. But then Shashank should feel a satisfaction with himself, and whenever he is struggling or whenever somebody is playing football, the very first day you might not know what football is, but then when you slowly and gradually go to the football playing, ultimately someday Shashank will say आज मैंने बहुत अच्छा खेला. So when that inner appreciation comes na, that is the best appreciation and the best feeling you would have. हो सकता है ना कभी कभी आपको आपके मॉम ने कुछ काम दिया, लेकिन मॉम के बोलने के पहले आपने बोला कि ओके, व्हाट वर्क माय मदर हैज गिवन मी टुडे, आज मम्मी ने जो काम दिया था I think I have done it the best. So that inner feeling of appreciation is very important. You don't want others to see. Don't climb a mountain with an intention that the world should see you. दूसरों को दिखाने के लिए आप कुछ अच्छा करोगे और सिर्फ कोई दूसरा नहीं होता है तो चलेगा, कैसा भी चल जाएगा काम. So that kind of mediocre mentality when it comes na, the people will not become the Ronaldos, people will not become Nadia Comaneci, people will not become Sachin, people will not become Dhoni. धोनी किसी और को दिखाने के लिए क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता था. Sachin did not make a six or Sachin never played good when he wanted to show the world. He was not a show off guy कि मुझे लोग अच्छा तारीफ करो. In case if I go on the field where I have to supposed to play the field and I am looking at all the audience कि किसी ने धोनी चिल्लाया नहीं, आज मैं सिक्स नहीं मारूंगा. So this should not be your attitude. This is what your story tells, that when you talk about excellence, जब आप excellence की बात करते हो तो सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो. मतलब लोग बोलेंगे कि हाँ ये सक्सेसफुल पर्सन है, हाँ चेतन, बट चेतन को खुद को इंटरनल सेटिस्फैक्शन आना चाहिए कि हाँ मैंने बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई की है एंड नाउ आई हैव बिकम the Chetan of my life. So he would also become somebody who would people like to get inspired from. आपसे भी शायद कुछ लोग इंस्पिरेशन लेंगे, कुछ प्रेरणा लेंगे कि ओके आपने अपने लाइफ में कैसे किया. And definitely I know that many of us are going through unprecedented conditions. There are so many problems in our life which we are going through. There are so many things. Everybody would have something. Somebody might not have an internet connection, somebody might have a financial problem, somebody might have a problem in a family. I'm not talking about the class, I'm talking about people in general, right? So the crux of the entire discussion is, in spite of all the difficulties, when you want to achieve a foundation for excellence, what you should do, you should just think about yourself. And you should just look for the praise which comes by you, not by Amruta ma'am or not by your neighbor कि आज अन्विक्षा ने बहुत अच्छा perform किया. Okay, I'll assume कि अन्विक्षा बहुत अच्छा डांस करती है. Let's assume. So somebody should not praise. She herself should set a benchmark for herself that I have performed the best today. So the people who set their benchmarks by themselves, किसी और को नहीं, वैभव और सुनील, वैभव और कुणाल का कंपैरिजन नहीं है. इट इज अ वैभव कंपीटिंग विद वैभव. कल मैंने जो परफॉर्म किया था, आई हैव टू परफॉर्म बेटर देन दैट, राइट? सो दिस इज द क्रक्स ऑफ डिस्कशन. वी विल टेक ऑफ फ्रॉम हियर. हमारी फ्लाइट कल से टेक ऑफ लेगी. वी हैव जस्ट मेड ऑल द अरेंजमेंट्स टुडे. सो आई वांट यू टू क्विकली टेल मी कि आपको क्या समझ में आया, क्या नहीं समझ में आया. Should I go with the same speed? Am I too fast, too slow? Quickly tell me and we will wrap up the session for today. I am a feedback oriented guy. If you tell me today कि मैम आपने
आप
yes निखिल,
आपके सब्जेक्ट में कोई प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है ना कोई?
नहीं, our subject is totally theoretical, but we will make it practical, don't worry. I don't believe in teaching textbooks. Okay, any other thing?
मुझे लगा ऐसा लैब में प्रैक्टिकल रहता है ना, वो पूछ रही थी ऐसे.
No, we Nikhil, we don't have any practical as of now. We are going to have activities, but then we will take all the activities on our teams meeting. ठीक है? तो आपको जो भी activity रहेगी, I will put it in the group. I will put it on your email IDs. जो भी रहेगा, I will put it on your WhatsApp group, and we will carry on the activities. ठीक है? Any other thing? Any other doubt? Sahil, Kunal, Jyoti, open up. If you would like to say something, did you understand everything? Sukram, Sampada, Chetan.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you understanding everything? मतलब अभी मैंने शुरू नहीं किया है. I will try to be very slow, as slow as possible. But अभी कभी आपको लगता है कि मैम बहुत स्पीड से पढ़ा रही है, तो आप मुझे बोलो कि मैम ये टॉपिक थोड़ा स्लो पढ़ाइए, नहीं समझ में आया. So you can stop me anytime and we can take along. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Anything else you would like to say for the day? It was all okay. We will definitely, I'll take the entire thing.
Yes, ma'am,
We will make the sessions very interactive. We will try to see that we bring in few activities जिससे आपको सब्जेक्ट अच्छे से समझ में आए. And the rest I believe कि आप लोग सब फीडबैक मुझे दोगे तो हम लोग सेशन को उस हिसाब से मैच कर लेंगे. Okay? Everyone has written their attendance in the chat box. Everyone has written their name in the chat box. If they have not written, quickly write it before I close the session. Nikhil.
Excuse me.
Yes, Sahil.
Ma'am, tomorrow's lecture will be what time? 10 o'clock or 12 o'clock?
Tomorrow I don't have a lecture. I will be taking the lecture only twice in a week, Tuesday and Friday. Till now, this is the tentative thing, but then I believe this is more or less fixed. Tuesday and Friday, 12 to 1. Would that be fine?
Okay. I thought we have it on Saturday as well.
No, tomorrow I'm not taking a lecture. I will be taking on Tuesday and
Okay, ma'am.
Saturday's schedule. Shamla ma'am will tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Everyone, before leaving the meeting, please put your name in the chat box. Otherwise, your attendance would not be marked. Jyoti, Shashank, Anviksha, Sahil, Vaibhav,
Ma'am, I have written.
Chetan, Sampada. मैं सिर्फ क्रॉस चेक कर रही हूँ. आप लोग क्रॉस चेक करके you can exit the meeting. Okay?
Ma'am,
So
I have given my name for the attendance.
Yes, I want.
मैंने भी दिया है name.
Anviksha, I just want you to write your name in the chat box. If you are done, you need not worry. ठीक है?
Yeah, sure, I have done.
Yeah. So have a nice day, everyone. We will meet again and we'll keep meeting. Take care. Nice meeting you today for the first day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, everyone. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.